Many companies we talk to, they complain about that there is a disalignment between business and IT. Sometimes it's the business saying it, and sometimes it's even IT complaining about it. And it's understandable in many ways. For example, let's say you have a project going on and you want to hire some students. So you're going to call up or you make an ad to recruit some students, you find them, and now you want to give them access to your line of business application. But now you already have the first challenge. Which computer can they use? Maybe you have some computers stand around, but if you're in bad luck, maybe IT needs to order some new ones. And this could be a problem with your budget. So you ask the students to bring in their own devices. And it just so happens that your students bring in some Chromebooks. And now you're going to IT and say, hey IT, please make sure that my students can actually access line of business application with their Chromebooks. Or let's say you're in the marketing department. You have a super top secret project that is about to be launched, a new product or a new service, and you hire a marketing agency that should help you with the go-to-market. Maybe there is even an app at the launch. And so they come in, but they bring these. They bring a MacBook. And now you go to IT and say, please make sure that they can access the files they need, but the files need to be safe 100%. We cannot have any information to be leaked about our new product designs or our plans to go to market. Or simple, your internal IT or your maintenance or your service guys, they ask you over and over again that they could use their existing tablets, that when they go to the customer they don't have to make notes on paper, but that they actually can put it right into your system, which in your case maybe is a Windows application from their iPad. Now, some of you, and if you're in Switzerland, there is a very big chance that you're using Citrix to solve these problems. With Citrix, you can give external people access to your line of business application or actually to any Windows application so that they can get their work done without that your files have to leave your network. And now I'm really excited to announce, because of a strategic relationship between Microsoft and Citrix, you can now benefit of the best of both worlds. You can leverage the flexibility that the Citrix solution offers, backed by the scalability and flexibility of Azure, the Microsoft public cloud, which also is the most trusted cloud platform. Now think about it. Any of the three scenarios I just mentioned, in the new world, there is a product called Citrix Xen App Essentials and Xen Desktop Essentials, which allows you to basically provide a Windows 10 desktop to any external party out of the Azure Marketplace. So it is just a few mouse clicks away. And if you're talking about enterprise solution and you maybe want to do a desktop as a service and you work with thin clients and you're going to run 80,000 virtual desktops or desktop as a service in the cloud, you can do as well. And the good news is here, things like NetScalers and other parts of this architecture will be run and operated by Citrix, which allows you to focus on what is really mattering to you and not have to worry about those more or less complicated or things that you need expertise to set up and configuring it right. If this is of any interest for you, I highly encourage you, please check out the links that I put in my description. Help me spread the word. This is truly an amazing offering, and it's currently the only way how you can offer Windows 10 desktop as a service right out of the cloud, where you don't have to worry about all this hardware, and it is super flexible and you can deploy it wherever you need people. If you have a group of people out in India working on a software development project, you can, for example, deploy it in India. So super easy, scalable, with all the benefits of the cloud and all the benefits of the Citrix solution. So make sure to check it out. Help me spread the word. Like it, share it, and if you want to stay up to date with other news around Microsoft Public Cloud or digital transformation, please make sure you sign up on WordPress or follow me on Twitter under @DaveKern. As usual, I look forward to your feedback, And with that, I want to say thank you for taking the time of watching this episode, and I wish you a great start into the new week. Thank you.